Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the year 2020 to celebrate the New Year's. So let's get started. To draw this very donut-y 2020, let's start by drawing the 2. So I'm going to come right here and draw the letter 2 as a bubble letter. Bubble number, I mean. So let's start up here. I'm going to start and round off a 2. So I'm going to come about right here and go to the top. And round off our 2, and then I'm going to come right here so that we have this curve, and I'm going to come in here and start to round it off. So I'm creating kind of the same amount of space everywhere. So as we come around, let's bring this down. So we have our 2 now, so then let's continue this. And so we just want to keep in mind to have about the same thickness all around. So that's our goal. So let's bring this down more. So we come down here, we'll round it off. And let's bring this in. We're going to draw the tail of our 2. So about right here, I'm going to go straight. And about right here, I'm going to turn in. So just a little bit past that top part. And let's go in there and connect it. There. So I have a basic bubble letter, bubble number 2, and then now to draw the 0. So I'm going to cheat right here and use my circle template, and let's see, I'm going to use this, the biggest one possible. So this one is a little bit too small, so use this one right here. So I'm going to get right next to it. So if you're drawing pretty big like I am, just find something at home that's circular if you care for it to be nice and round. It's just a little bit easier. So I'll say about right here. Let me look at my camera a little bit. Okay, so about right there. I'm going to start and draw my circle. So in this area at the top in the corner right here, I'm going to leave a little bit space because I know I'm drawing a little party hat for my donut. So I'll just leave a little space right there. And now I have my circle in. And then let's come over here where I've left this little curve, and I'm just going to draw a party hat. So just going to bring in a curve right there. And then let's come and bring it at angle. And then right here, let's draw some streamers coming out of the hat. Maybe one more. There. And then some stripes. Okay, so then let's come to the center of this donut. So about right here, I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to freehand this one. Just because I'm lazy. And it's a smaller circle, so. Okay, so I have that little center circle. Then now let's create it and make it a donut. So I'm going to come right here and just wobble a bunch of curves that go all the way around for my glaze on my donut here. So just randomly go all the way around. And then let's bring it to life. So in this top area, I'm going to bring in some happy eyes. So about right here, I'm just going to draw in a curve, thicken it up, some lashes, nice and simple, and right here, curve, lashes, and in the center, let's draw a happy smile and cap it off. I'm just going to come to the top right here and draw very lightly 2 little curves above the eye. Okay, so very happy donut, right? And then right in the center, about right here, I'm going to draw some hands that come into the center area. So let's see here, about right here, I'm going to curve in a hand, comes in, and so about right here as well. If you've been following me, you know I love to draw these hands and make a heart. So right here, I'm going to kind of make it look like a heart. There. Aww. Okay, and so then I'll leave the the sprinkles for a little bit later. I'm going to switch to a thinner Sharpie. So then for now, let's draw the other two. So let's come about right here. We're going to make it about the same height. So I'm going to get really close to this donut. And I'm going to start about right here. And I'm going to go up. And don't worry if it's not exactly the same. It won't be. We're just trying our best to do as close as possible. So let's see here, about right there. I'm going to bring it down. Okay, so then let's come in here and we're going to round it in just like the other two. And bring it in. So then let's bring this down. And now there comes the easy part. We're just going to angle it out. Easier part. So we're going to angle it coming right underneath. And let's just make sure. So right there. Just going to give myself a light little point. And come back in. So let's finish off our two now. Come down, about right there. Go out straight. So it's going to pass this a little bit. And round it off. And connect. There. I'm a little off. This part's a little bit high. Okay, there. Now to draw the other donut. So once again, I'm going to come back in here with my circle template and right next to it again. Look at my camera and about right there. I'm going to add my other circle. So, oh, and then once again, there's a little hat right here. So I'm going to leave that part open. There. Okay, so let's leave this, make it draw another little party hat for this donut. So once again, it's a curve and come in here with an angle. And with this one, maybe just simpler streamers. And maybe the curves go this way instead. So I'm going to change it up. From there, let's come inside the center, just like the other donut, and draw a circle in the middle. So, right here. Draw my center circle. Okay, so then now, once again, same thing. I'm just going to wobble my glaze around. There. And then on this donut, let's come down here. We're going to give it some draw so cute eyes, of course, right? So in this area, let's draw a circle. And one more here, so about right here. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. So I can't believe 2020 is almost here. Oh my gosh, where did the 2019 go, right? How time flies. I hope you Draw So Cuties have enjoyed all the drawings I've done for you so far this year. And hopefully I will get to do more next year. Okay, so right in between, let's draw a very happy little smile. And cap it off, and then we're going to come to the top right here and draw a little curve above each eye. And let's see here. For this hand on this donut, let's come about right here in this area. We're going to draw a little curve. And I'm going to thicken the end right here for a hand. And then right in this hand, I'm going to put a little line at an angle. And I'm going to basically kind of draw like a sparkler. Hopefully that looks like a sparkler. There. And then on this hand, so about right here, let's have it holding a little celebration balloon. So thicken the ends once again. And I'm gonna go straight through that balloon, so through that hand, I mean, right there. As it comes down, just wobble the line a little bit, and the end of our balloon, and let's draw a circle or an oval. There. And let's write Happy New Year, right? So, you know what? Let me do that with my thinner Sharpie. This one's getting a little too thick and I want to muddle it up. Okay, so I have my thinner Sharpie here, and let's write Happy New Year. So, happy. I really hope this drawing inspires you to draw this too. Come up with your own logo. I mean, your own donut. There, Happy New Year. And then let's see here. Okay, and as I promised, some sprinkles on this donut. So I'm going to come in here and draw some stars. Star sprinkles here and there. So if you need help drawing stars, make sure to check out my How to Draw a Star video. Then maybe I'll put some circles here and there. Put one more here. So I'm putting all the sprinkles underneath the hand so it doesn't get too complicated at the top. And then on this one right here, let's make the usual sprinkles, like two straight lines at an angle and then round off the top. So just make a bunch of these at different angles. So thank you for requesting that I draw another, well, not another. Thank you for requesting that I draw this 2020, because you guys have loved all the ones I've drawn before for 2019, 2018, 17, and I forgot, did I do a 16? Okay, so then I'm gonna in here and there, just add some heart sprinkles. At different angles. There, and let's see, am I missing anything? So that's pretty much it. So when I color it, I'm just going to add some white highlights. I don't want to muddle up with a black Sharpie, and right here on the balloon as well. So there, I hope you love how this 2020 very donut-y year drawing turned out, and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.